Hi guys! Today we are going to see how to manually add Metapixel to Shopify. Before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. Adding a Meta, formerly Facebook Pixel, to your Shopify store manually involves several steps. Go to the Meta Business Suite or Meta Ads Manager. Click on All Tool. Navigate to the Events Manager from the main menu. In Event Manager, click on Connect Data and then select Web. My Business Manager not working properly as the website is not being selected. But now, here is just 3 to 4 step remaining. Select Web, then choose Metapixel and click Connect. Then enter a name for your pixel and click Continue. After following these 3 to 4 steps to manually add the Metapixel to Shopify, you will receive a code like this. The final step is to paste this code into the theme.liquid file. In the Layout section, click on theme.liquid to open it in the online code editor. Find the head tag in the theme.liquid file. Just above the head tag, paste the following Metapixel base code. Now choose the second method to connect Facebook Pixel to Shopify, which is the easiest and simplest way. Go to Shopify App Store and install Facebook Pixel. Let's start the integration process for the Facebook and Instagram app with your Facebook. I want ads only, so click on Ads option, Get Started. Click on Get Started. Ensure you are logged into the Facebook account that has admin access to the business page and ad account you want to connect. Here are a few steps to follow one by one. After completing all these steps, click on Submit Review. Next, go to Business Settings. Then go to Event Manager. Here you can see pixels successfully created. Scroll down to Event Setup and click Open Event Setup tool. Enter your Shopify store URL and click Open Website. In Facebook Events Manager, click on Test Events. Follow the instructions to set up events such as purchases, add to cart, etc. Here you can see pixel tracked page view. Perform actions on your store, like making a purchase or adding a product to the cart, to see if the events are being tracked in Pixel. Here you can see Pixel tracked all the views. Check Pixel ID. Ensure the Pixel ID entered in Shopify is correct. Use Pixel Helper. The Pixel Helper tool can help diagnose common issues with your Pixel. Clear cache. Sometimes, clearing your browser cache can help resolve issues with pixel tracking. By following these steps, you should have your Facebook Pixel successfully connected to your Shopify store, enabling you to track visitor actions and improve your Facebook ad targeting. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.